Hello students and welcome back to another video of biology classes. So in the previous videos we have looked into the concepts, the characteristics of living organisms, the rules of binomial nomenclature system. I have also given you some assignments. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದು PDF ಕೂಡ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ so that you can make a notes or ready-made notes also will be provided for you. Each and every chapter wise go through the notes. If you have any doubts, WhatsApp us. Okay, all right, moving ahead. ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ we have concept of taxonomic categories. Taxonomic categories, as I said yesterday, the branch of biology that deals with the systematic classification of organisms to their respective groups is called taxonomy. The science of classification we call. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ taxonomy ಅಂತೀವಿ. Yesterday I have introduced you to the word taxonomy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So in today's class we will see the taxonomic categories. What are taxonomic categories? Taxonomic categories, there are 7 taxonomic categories. Starting from this is systematic approach, right? So starting from kingdom, followed by phylum or division. All right, then class, order, then family, genus and species. Okay, so kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. These systematic categorization we call it as taxonomic categories. Each and every, like when we come for the classification of animals, we consider kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Animals to plants ಎರಡು living organisms ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಬಂದು दोनों भी जब उनका क्लासिफिकेशन हम लोग देखते हैं तो a systematic approach, like how yesterday I have shown Homo sapiens example. In the previous class I have quoted this example. Homo is the genus name, sapiens refers to the species, isn't it? So this Homo sapiens, what does this mean? What does this mean? I have explained in the previous class. Each one of this is referred to as a taxon. Is component, like this is a taxon, this is a taxon, this is a taxon, like that. When I talk about taxonomic categorization in ascending order, ascending means smaller to bigger, descending is reverse of this, vice versa, bigger to smaller. Ascending order, when I talk, the first category that comes is species, then followed by genus, then followed by family, then followed by order, after that class, after that phylum, lastly kingdom. Suppose, for a better understanding of this, you can see on the board an image I have displayed. All right. So there you can see the taxonomic categorization of human beings, Homo sapiens. The kingdom, here, there it is displayed as kingdom Animalia, then followed by phylum. When we are categorizing the animals, we take this part, phylum. When we are categorizing the plants, after kingdom the next taxon comes is division. समझ में आ रहा है? अर्थ अगले के so there is nothing in this. We are talking about the taxonomic categories. Example I have displayed there, how it is divided. Okay, so we have 5 kingdoms in living organism. We will talk about that in the next class. Biological classification when we see. Okay, so 5 kingdoms. Amongst 5 kingdom, we have kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Animalia, kingdom Plantae, or kingdom Plantae or kingdom Animalia. All in all, there are 5 major kingdoms. ಎಷ್ಟು kingdoms ಇದಾವ್ರಿ? 5. Kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Mycota, kingdom Metaphyta, kingdom Metazoa. ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕ kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. So these are 5 kingdoms. There were systems of classification introduced by various scientists that I will introduce, that will explain in the next class, next chapter actually. This is the first chapter what I am discussing. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಹೋಮೋ ಸೇಪಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಾನ್ written there is Animalia. Taxonomic category is this: kingdom, phylum, division, class, order, family, genus, species. Adar munde Homo sapiens, what kingdom it belongs to? Means Homo sapiens, human beings, we are animals. First, that is why kingdom Animalia. Then next taxon, next category that comes is phylum. To which phylum human beings belong to? Phyla Chordata. To which phylum human beings ಯಾವ phylum ಗೆ belong ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? Chordata. Then class. Class is Mammalia. Which class they belong to? Mammalia. After the class, next taxonomic category we have is order. To which order they belong to? Primates. To which order? Primates. ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಡರಿಗೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ primates. Then family. What family? Hominidae. Which family they belong to? Hominidae. Right? Then genus is Homo. That is why I have written Homo sapiens. Genus is Homo. Species is Sapiens. Okay, so this is how you categorize each organism when we look as per the taxonomic categorization. ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಾನಮಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡ್ರೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೇನು ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊರಿ. Taxonomic categorization. Give the taxonomic categorization of Homo sapiens ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್, ವಾಟ್, ಫೈಲಮ್, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ 7 ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ PDF ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ठीक है, one by one we'll see each of the taxonomic category. Each taxonomic category. First we'll come from the bottom. Species. What is species? How do we define species? This category, each taxon. Okay, so species is a group of closely related organisms. Group of closely related organisms that occupy the lowest category amongst the taxonomic categories. So this is the unit of taxonomic category. What is the unit of taxonomic category ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ species ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. टैक्सोनॉमिक कैटेगरी का यूनिट अगर पूछा जाए तो आंसर स्पीसीज. स्पीसीज का डेफिनेशन क्या है? इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ क्लोजली रिलेटेड ऑर्गेनिजम्स दैट फॉर्म द लोवेस्ट कैटेगरी इन द टैक्सोनॉमिक कैटेगराइजेशन. नेक्स्ट, ऐसे बहुत सारे स्पीसीज मिलके इंಥ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸು when they are grouped that form a genus. Group of organisms or group of species form a genus, and several genus contribute to form a family. Like that, several families, when they are closely related families, they form a particular order. Several order form a class. Then various classes are present in a phylum. Or when we talk about the plant categorization, several classes form the division. Several phyla are present in a kingdom, or several divisions are present, or they form a kingdom. When we say next chapter, you will understand what I am talking about. Kingdom, what I have displayed, the 5 kingdom. Each and every kingdom you have to study in detail. For your syllabus, you have kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia and their classification also with examples. आपके सिलेबस में ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 5 ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ in the chapter biological classification.